since ang negosyo ay hindi sa atin, it's owned by God, then we are only getting a salary. And the rest is pinapaikot namin. Swelduhan kami, tapos because we are running also the business, we have a little profit share. So because of that, if somebody comes and borrow, we can always say, the business does not belong to me. I am just an employee here. The business, i-consider mo na yung mini-mart mo, does not belong to you. It belongs to God and you are just an employee here. So if you manage it well, uunlad ang negosyo. Pag hindi mo yan i-manage ng mabuti, hindi ba nasa Bible din na kapag binigyan ka ng mga talents at hindi mo na-manage ng mabuti, di ba bawiin ni Lord? So that is how you can think about it. So just tell the person na, ay sorry po, hindi talaga ako pwedeng magpautang dahil mawawalan ako ng trabaho dahil hindi sa akin ito. Empleyado lang ako. So ang gagawin ko, hindi kita mapapautang pero bibigyan na lang kita. So let's say, nangutang sa iyo ng 1 kilong bigas, bigyan mo ng maybe 1/4. Eto, bibigyan na lang kita ng 1/4. Huwag mo nang bayaran kasi papabawas ko na lang to sa sweldo ko.